In today's digital age, online shopping has become a common practice. It offers a wide range of options and convenience. However, as you venture into online shopping, prioritizing your personal information and safety is crucial. Come with me as I will be giving you 5 tips to ensure a safe and worry-free online shopping. 1. You have to use strong and unique passwords. Create passwords that are quite complicated for your online shopping accounts and avoid using the same password for multiple sites, and it is advisable to get password tracker in order to safe track your passwords. 2. You have to update your device and software. Not many people know this actually. You have to update your devices like your computer, your phones, and your apps on the latest security patches in order to enhance your online shopping. 3. You have to check for reviews and ratings. When shopping online on sites or probably social media, checking reviews and ratings is where you will get the actual truth about the product or the seller. Yes, so you have to check reviews and ratings to be sure if you are at the right place or about to get scammed. 4. Be careful of too good to be true deals. Deals, 70% discount, 90% discount. Be careful. Be sure you are going to get your product, or be sure that it is true. You're not going to get scammed. 5. Use secure payment methods like your credit cards and PayPal, because they have added security tracks and they also help to dispute unauthorized charges. So with these few tips, I hope you safe shop and don't allow yourself get scammed on any online shopping website. For more other tips, visit our website displayed on the screen and our YouTube channel. We are Consumer Hala and we are here for you.